Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you how to display a loading indicator in React Native. So yeah, I already have a boilerplate, but you can implement it in any any application you want. So I'm going to use the activity indicator from React. So yeah, just do that. Yeah, use the styles property, larger, the color, yeah, leave it at blue. So here it is. Let's add a little styling. So magenta 20. Raw. Okay. So that's how you add a loading indicator in a React Native application. So that's all for today. In the next tutorials, you are going to see other things on React Native. So subscribe for more hacks and more tips on how to work with React Native.